Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good day, ladies and gentlemen, especially to my examiner, Madam Nurziatul Hamima, and then for my supervisor, Dr. Rohaila binti Maskat. So my name is Muhammad Umar Siddiq Zainal Abidin. I am from CS 2596A, and this is my final year project, mining UiTM confession tweets for site ideation. Without further ado, let's go for the introduction. So social networks like Twitter, what we call the Instagram, and our Facebook have become a medium where users can express their thought, okay, feelings from positive, negative, and also to the neutral. Okay, so there is a research, there is a studies say approximately 800,000 people okay have commit suicide, okay, every year with many more attempts suicide. So actually, this project aims to predict the suicidal ideation content in social media, besides knowing the topic discussed by this community, suicide ideation. And also, my target is for the UiTM Confession Twitter, which is the account that uses tweet from individual opinions. Basically, they will send the opinion to the admin of the UiTM Confession tweet, okay, and then they will post to the public, okay, for their opinions, okay. And then we go to the problem statement. So, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we have knows that there is a forecast weather and also there's an autonomous car that can predict there is an obstacle in front of it. So, what if we can predict the suicide ideation, presence of suicide ideation in the sentence of social media, text of social media, like tweet, okay, like they post. So, this will be the game changing. Okay, so most users of social networks express their suicidal thought in their social media. So this is a big make the problem, because rather than they go treatment to the psychiatrist, they express their suicidal thought in social media. Okay, so currently no system has been developed to mine suicide ideation among UiTM students. So this is my project. The objective, let's go to the first objective, which is to determine suicide ideation by predicting the presence of the ideation on UiTM confession tweets. And then after we have determined, and after we have had to predict, okay, and then we determine what topics that the suicide ideation involves in UiTM confession tweets via topic modeling. And lastly, we will construct a dashboard, which is to visualize the suicide ideation based on the model built, best model built, and then the topics underlying these ideations using LDM modeling. So let's go to the scope. So the scope, the story scope, the data set from the Kaggle open data set consists of suicide and non-suicide level data. And then the tweets from the UiTM Confession account when was utilized. And then the tweets from the UiTM Confessions account are extracted daily. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the significance. For the UiTM, yes, of course, it will benefit, inshallah, to the university to know the level of potential of their students, not only for physical health, but also with the mental health. And for the lecturer, if the detection of suicidation suddenly increase within that day, so this will help lecturers to boost their students' confidence in every class. Okay, every lecturer can do this. And then for the students, of course, can increase their awareness on social media that may trigger some of the students about suicide ideation. So this aware all people, all students before they post their thought in the social media. So this is a summary of literature review, which I have done in proposal. So I have two, which is machine learning and also for the topic modeling. Okay, so this is the literature review. Okay, for the prediction and build model data, of course, machine learning, and for the topic modeling, we want to know the topics that being discussed. Okay, and then for the methodology, yes, of course, we started with the preliminary study, and then for the knowledge acquisition and analysis. So this is way, okay, we take the LR literature review, and then we make the data collection from the Kaggle, and then for the from the what we call the UiTM confession tweets, and then we make the pre-processing the data. And this is for the architecture of the system. Yes, from the tweets from UiTM account, UiTM confession account. Okay, we scrap. Personally, I use tweet. Okay, and then we build the model, best model. We have picked the best model evaluation, and then we will predict. Okay, we predict and then use the rapid miner. Let's say logistic regression is the best model. Then we predict, and then we export the Python scraper tweets to the Excel file, and then we import to the Power BI, Microsoft Power BI to visualize. Yes, this data creation. For model training, yes, we have three models, SVM, NB, and LR. Then we pick the best build model for the detection, for the prediction. And then for the topic modeling, yes, LDA. and then we know the topics that being discussed for the society edition. So this is the results. Okay. So for the first objective, yes, we want to determine the prediction, okay, the presence of society edition within the Twitter. Yeah, tweets from the UiTM configuration tweet. Yes, we have built the best model, which is logistic regression, which is accuracy have 92%. And then we predict the tweet from UiTM configuration, which is there is presence of non-site or the site. Ladies and gentlemen, for the second objective, yes, we have the topic modeling. So we use topic. So we visualize and we the LDA have I'll give the output, okay, with the perspectivity and coherence score. The coherence score is about 0.48646. Okay, so and then we know the topic, which is the topic. This is one of the one topics. Okay, the top one topics. Okay, so these keywords, they have 10 keywords. Okay, really FYP, one, kill, early, right, stressful, assignment, college and ODL. So this we have observed these keywords that being delivered by the LDA. So we summarize that this topic is about assignment that could be influenced for students in that already confessed in your item confession about the societization. Okay, about this assignment. Okay, so this is the top objective. Okay, after we have done the topic modeling and also the prediction, yes, we want to what we call that, visualize the analysis. Yes, societization. So I will explain more the third objective for the demo. Okay, let's go. We go to the demonstration. Okay, without further ado. So I've used Microsoft Power BI. So first of all, we have to I have 2 pages. Okay, which is the first worldwide societization analysis. Let's go first. Okay, so this is actually more on accuracy by model, which is I go visualize the accuracy for the 3 model, which is yes, logistic regression produce the best model. Okay, and then the performance, which is for the precision, F1 score, and also recall. Yes, there's logistic regression also overall give the best output. Okay, and we have the top 20 word society edition. That's this get from the Kaggle data for the Reddit. Okay, so yes, we have say one, feel, no. Okay, and we also can say that can see there is a society. There's society word. So actually, this is more on one. Okay, feel. They just intention to do the society. Okay, so this is the top 50 words. There are word count, the word cloud. Sorry, and then yes, this is a topic that for the Kaggle dataset. Okay, this is for the worldwide. Okay, we have for the topic modeling. This is the first of all. Okay, I pick the first topic 1. Okay, so there's 10 keywords, which is mother, step, mom, beat, child, kid, abuse, dad, daughter, and father. So this we observe and then we summarize that these topics, these keywords given is show that topics are the family abuse. Okay, then we go back. We go to the true our true what we call that third objective, okay, which is the UiTM confession tweet itself. So first of all, we have predict. Yes, we have predict, and then we show the, let's say, okay, this is I have scrapped the Twitter data, which is from 24th January to the 29th January. Okay, so this is from the account, which is I made a dummy account. Okay, so let's say I want to go to 27. Let's say I go to 27. Okay, 27 January. So there's a tweet at 2 a.m. and 2 a.m. in 6 minutes. Okay, so the rate is showing the society. There is a society confession or society tweets from the UiTM confession tweet. So let's say I pick one. So let me us look what is it. It said help, I'm tiny. Okay, so what if another one? Lately I'm depressed, deadline, assignment. Yes, this is one of the tweet that in the UiTM confession said there is a society ideation presence. Okay, so this is topics. Yes, topics this earlier I have already said in the topic modeling. Okay, this is stressful, right? But this is more on the assignment. Okay, stressful, right? College early, yes. And that is the word presence in UiTM confession tweet. So this is, yes, you all can see in the UiTM confession there is the words, okay, like assignment, FYP. Yes, we can say FYP and then one, okay, student. Then there's more. Okay, so this my project is final year project. Okay, this is the society addition analysis for the, this is for the output. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.